Welcome to this tutorial on Salesforce Lightning Web Components. In this video, we'll walk through the complete process of creating a simple Hello World LWC and placing it on a Salesforce record page. Before we begin, let's make sure you have everything you need. You'll need Salesforce CLI installed on your machine, Visual Studio Code as your code editor, and the Salesforce extension pack for VS Code. You'll also need to authorize VS Code with your Salesforce org. If you haven't done this yet, take a moment to set these up now. Once you have the prerequisites in place, open Visual Studio Code. We'll be using the Salesforce CLI to create our project. Open the command palette by pressing Ctrl-Shift-P on Windows or Command-Shift-P on Mac. Type SFDX Create Project with Manifest and select the standard project template. Give your project a meaningful name and create it. Now that your project is set up, we'll create the Lightning Web Component itself. Open the command palette again and type SFDX Create Lightning Web Component. Name your component something descriptive like Hello World WC and press Enter. This will automatically generate three essential files: an HTML file, a JavaScript file, and an XML metadata file. Let's look at what each file does. The HTML file contains your component's template. In our example, we're using a Lightning card component with a simple message. The JavaScript file imports Lightning element and defines your component class. This is where you'd add any logic or interactivity. The XML metadata file is crucial. It tells Salesforce how and where your component can be used. The metadata file has three key settings. First, set is exposed to true so your component appears in the Lightning app builder. Second, add a target section with Lightning's record page to specify that this component can be placed on record pages. You can also add other targets like Lightning app page or Lightning home page if you want your component available in other locations. Once your files are ready, it's time to deploy. Right-click on your component folder in VS Code and select SFDX Deploy Source to Org. Wait for the deployment to complete. You should see a success message in the output panel. Now for the final step. Navigate to any record in your Salesforce org, an account, contact, or custom object record. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Edit Page to open the Lightning App Builder. On the left sidebar, scroll down to find the Custom Components section. You should see your Hello World LWC listed there. Simply drag it onto your page canvas where you want it to appear. You can place it in a new tab, a new column, or alongside existing components. When you're satisfied with the placement, click Save. If this is your first time editing the page, you may be prompted to activate it. Confirm the activation and your LWC is now live on your record page. Congratulations! You've successfully created and deployed your first Lightning Web Component. This is just the beginning. LWCs are incredibly powerful and flexible. From here, you can add properties, handle events, and integrate with Salesforce data to build sophisticated custom functionality.